Hi guys and welcome back to the channel. Quick video really. Bingley Hall today was an absolutely awesome day. Got to see loads of people, which was really good. Got to see loads of subscribers. People came up to me and were chatting away, and one particular lad in particular that sticks out is he's doing a brown clubman estate, and I think all his family clubs are together to buy it in for Christmas. And yeah, I can't remember your name today because I've met so many people, but thanks for coming to see me. It was really good to catch up and meet people really, because it is good to see that the videos are reaching people and people are buying cars because they're seeing the videos, and not just me, but obviously there's all of us out there doing it. So that was awesome. Really nice to meet you, mate. Another guy is thank you for Callum. He gave me 2 centre caps I need for my mini special wheels, which is absolutely spot on, mate. So I've got another 2 to find. So if anyone's got any out there, please give me a shout. But thanks again, Callum, and once again, wow. Your green club on the estate, it gets me every time I see it. It is absolutely phenomenal. So yeah, absolute credit to you that, mate. Really nice. But I'm going to leave you now. It literally is a quick video. I'm going to post in a bit of footage I got from today, not much. Basically you get to see what the show was like if you couldn't make it. Hopefully I've caught your car. I did catch a few cars that sort of caught my eye a little bit, so I've included them as well. The video then ends with a rather problematic getting out of the event, so I'll stick that in at the end because it was a good old laugh. So yeah, onwards and upwards, let's crack on with the build. Didn't buy anything at the show. I was very very refrained. It's that time of the year where you don't really have that much money to spend, I guess. But really, I've got everything I need to be getting on with at the moment. We are saving for big panels for the 89 build, and obviously you can't get them there really. So yeah, all I did buy was a little boot badge for the budget clubman. I spent £3. It's not a perfect badge, but I don't think it needs to be perfect. It's just a lot nicer than the one that came on the car. So I'll probably stick that in the next episode, maybe the budget clubman, to show you that. But I was really chuffed with that. But once again, yeah, thank you for everyone that came to say hi. Really good to see the other YouTube lads as well. It's always good to have a bit of banter and catch up. So yeah, hope to catch all them again soon. And yeah, I'll leave you with this little bit of footage. One thing I will say before I do go, please, if you haven't, go see the giveaway video. Once I reach 1,000 subscribers, which is a phenomenal feeling as it is, I will be giving away a t-shirt and 2 stickers to the lucky winner. So all you got to do is comment below on that video with basically your favourite car, your dream car you'd like, and what you've either liked on this channel already or what you'd like to see. So go find that video, please. I will put the link in the description of this video. But yeah, sit back and enjoy this little short bit of footage from Bingley Hall, and I'll catch you in the next one. Got loads more cutting and welding to do, guys. See you later. Right, so it's Bingley Hall mini show, everyone. Beautiful cars downstairs on display. Really quick short video. Really good to see people. Some faces have made themselves known to people that watch my videos, and I can't thank you enough for that. Yeah, onwards and upwards. Let's get on with Project Clubman and the 89 build. Got a bit of inspiration again. It's always good to recap and, you know, you realise why you're doing all this. So catch you in the next one, guys. I hope you've enjoyed the video, and back on to rebuilding cars.
Maximum effort!
Power!